Welcome to my YouTube channel, Money Literate Academy. This is a channel I teach about money, I teach about financial literacy, I teach about high income skills, I teach about tricks you can do with your smartphone and make money online. Yes, so for you not to miss any of my videos, kindly subscribe and then click on the notification bell to always receive my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook. Yes, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook. So something like this. This is an ebook. You know the importance of an ebook. You can design something like this to somebody and then you get paid. Before you can create a nice ebook, you need to design the graphics that you want at the back of your ebook. So after making the graphics, then you will now use it to design your ebook cover. Yes. So now let's first learn how to design your graphics. After that, I'll teach you how to use it to make your ebook cover. We call it mockup. We are going to be using Canva. So I launched my Canva. This is my Canva. You can download Canva. So when you open your Canva, your search button here, you type ebook. So when it opens, we have templates you can equally edit. So you can choose any of these templates and then you edit. Most of these are paid. You need to buy the templates. Yes, so but the one without paid, you can just click on it and then you edit. Yes, so I'm going to teach you how to design this ebook cover from scratch. Yes, you design it from scratch. So you click on create blank. You click on the create blank. Yes, so we have our worksheet here. So we are not going to be using the template. So you pull this down. Just pull it down. You pull it down. So the first thing you need is something like this. So we will need a flower and then the laptop. So that is the first thing we are going to do. So for you to get the flower and the laptop, let's go to Google. You launch your Chrome. You type something like pink flower and laptop. To get that design, you have to type pink flower and laptop. Pink flower and laptop. So click on images. I'm going to teach you how to download quality pictures or quality images. So you click on images. So when you click on images, then you click this sign. You click on this sign. You tap on this sign. So after tapping on it, then you click on HD to give you quality pictures. Click on HD to give you quality pictures. So you can choose any of these flowers with the laptop. You can choose any of this. So after choosing on it, just long press to download. Then you click on download image. So you click on download. So it has been downloaded. You can also choose You can choose different one, so you can decide to choose this. Then you long press on it, then you click on download image, and you click on download image. So after downloading your image, let's go back to our Canva. So when you go back to your Canva, you just quickly click on this, the plus button. You click on the plus button. So after clicking on your plus button, come to gallery. You come to gallery, and then you pick the image you want to use. So after clicking on it, you add to page. So we have something like this. So here I'm going to hold here and stretch it. Then you bring it on top here. Then you hold here. You can see. So you can hold here and bring it top like this. Yeah, so after doing this, our next thing to do is you come and you click on the plus button. Then you come to elements. Then you can search something like shapes. You can search something like shapes. So we have our shapes here. So you can click on the see all to see all the shapes, but we are going to use this shape. So after getting your shape, you pull it up and down. So now we need our color. But I want to teach you something nobody will ever teach you. Yes, I want to teach you something nobody will ever teach you. So you come to Chrome. Then you search. When you search for that, then you click on this. So when you click on it, it gives you variety and special colors. So I'm going to choose rosy flamingo. Then I choose rose water. So you can choose any of these colors. Depending on the colors you want to use for your ebook. So what you need to do is the color code. This color code, you are going to copy it. Just long press it to copy. Then we go back to our Canva. And then we select color. Down there we select color. So here you paste the color code we copied. So you paste it here. So immediately you paste the color code. This is the color we copied. So you click on it, it changes the color. So the next thing we need to do is to click on your plus button. Then you select text. Down there you select text. then you add a heading. You click on add a heading. You click on add a heading. So I write the name of my book cover. So I write something like online money. So we can change the font. So I'm going to change the font to Beaver's New. So you can increase. So you now select font size. You select font size and then you increase the font. And you can move it at the top. You can move it this way. Now the next thing we are going to do is to come back to our text. So you can cancel this. You go back, you click on your plus button, then our text, you click on the text, then you add a subheading. So how to create, sell and make profit from digital products. So we have something like this. So you can decrease the size. You can decrease the size, and then we move it on top of here. We move it down. Then we will need the line. A line like this. So we come back to Canva. Then you click on your plus button. You go to elements. Then you can search for shapes, or you can search for line. So I click on my line. Then you can pull it. To suit where you want it to be, at the middle. So something like this is cool. Then at my subheading, I pull it here. So the next thing we are going to do is to add the money. So now we are going to insert the picture of our money inside the book cover. So you go to Google. Let's go to Google, and then you search for something like money, or you search for dollar. Search for money. After searching for money, you click on images. For you to get quality pictures, you need to come and click on this. After clicking on it, then you click on HD to give you quality pictures. So you can download any of this money, so that you'll be able to insert it in your ebook cover. So which one should I download? So you can choose any of this. So I click on this. Then you long press to download. Download images. You click on download images. You get, so you can download more, and then you choose the one you want to use. You can download more to choose the one that you want to use. So after downloading this money, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background of any picture at all. I'm going to teach you how to remove backgrounds of any picture. So you come back to your Google, then you type for remove.bg. 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 So when it opens, you click on, then you pick your picture. So we are waiting for the app to remove the background image. You get, so after removing, then you click on download. You click on download. So it has removed the background picture. Now we go to our Canva app again. Click on the plus button again. You go to gallery. You might have already downloaded the picture of the money, then you choose the money. Just click on it. So after clicking on it, just position it well. You position it very well. You position it very well. We are almost done. So the author's name, click on your plus button, then you go to text, add a heading, then I enter the name of the author, Teacher Onga. So you can bring it down here. So you can equally increase or decrease the text or the font. I think this is okay. You can also choose a font for it. You can also choose a font for it. Good. We are almost done. So after you are done, just click here to download. Just click here to download.